Did you know in Interstellar, the ticking sound during the wave scene has a hidden meaning? When the Endurance crew lands on a new planet filled with water, it's revealed that every hour spent on the planet is equivalent to 7 years on Earth. The scene is made even more intense by the incredible Hans Zimmer score. And amongst the panic, you can hear ticking sounds in the background. Each tick is roughly 1.25 seconds apart, which equates to 1 day back on Earth. So every time you hear a tick during this scene, you know another day has passed.